Sanibonani bafundi, namhlanje sifunda izigaba zamabizo nokunye kanye nokuningi. We are learning about noun classifications, and we'll also be learning about singular and plural form in the same lesson. Okay, so these are our 9 classifications. Let me explain how singular and plural form comes in. So la sinesiqalo igaba zamabizo ke lezi noun classifications in isiZulu is izigaba zamabizo. So here we have isiqalo. Isiqalo, that is your prefix of each word. And then we have an example of a noun, and then we translate it to English. Here we just explain what kind of words fall under this classification. All right, so this is Iskabawani. Iskabawani, that is the first classification, that is Umu. The prefix starts with Umu, and then the noun is Umuntu. Isingesi is it's a person. So you will notice that the classifications goes in twos. Okay, so it would be the first one, as I have said, it's Umu, and then the second one, or 1A, is the one that is a plural form of the first one. So Umu is one person, Abba, that would be two. Now, the words that fall under this classification are the words starting with or umu, and those are the people, not any other words, but words that mean people. Umuntu, abantu. Umfana, abafana. Okay. Then we go to classification number 3. That one is family members and certain borrowed words. Family members and certain borrowed words. So the prefix is qalo would be u, example ugogo, which means grandmother. Then the following classification is a plural of u, which is o, and that would be ogogo, which is grandmothers. Then we move on to the next classification. This is of objects, starting with or umu. Remember up there we had people starting with or umu in Isigaba 1. Now we have objects starting with or umu in this classification. So umuti, which is a tree or medicine. Then the plural form would be imi, which is imiti, um, medicines. Imiti is the example. Siqhubeke. The next classification is of objects or people starting with e, but not im or in, or easy or easy. That is the words that have a prefix e. All right. So e or ili, ibizo laphana sithi ilitshe, that's a rock. Then there would be a plural form of that word that we just mentioned, and that plural form would have a prefix ama, amaje, which are rocks. The next classification is objects or people starting with easy or easy. That is easy, isitimela. Isitimela, sorry. That's a train, and then we have the plural form of that, which is easy, isitimela, which then means trains. Then we have objects or people starting with in or im only. So in would be ingane, which is a child, and then there is a plural form of it, which is izin, which is izingane, uh, which means children. Then we have u, words starting with u or ulu, Ufudu, which is a turtle or a tortoise. And then there's Izzy, which is a plural form of the words with the prefix u or ulu. Izimfudu, that is turtles or tortoises. Abstracts. These are now words that do not have a plural form. They are just like that. So ubu would be ubuhle, that's beauty. Um, uku is ukudla, which is food. There's no plural form for those words. Phelela lapho ke isifundo sethu, that is where our lesson ends. Salani kahle.